swear I was giving the cheers up, like.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you, I know. Don't want to feel you, don't want you.
And I've been doing runway for a few years now, and been trying to find exactly where it is that I fit within the fashion industry and what it is that I want to do with it. And I was in the desert, and I had a vision to have this queer fashion. And the reason why I wanted to do a fashion show is because I feel like as queer people of color, we don't get enough representation in media, especially if you're non-binary or trans. You just don't see you there, and I didn't see myself enough, and I wanted to start something that we didn't have in the Bay Area already. So that's the reason I started Limitless Queer Fashion Show.
Somebody give us 2 pillows.
Not even recording. 2
No propaganda.
Since I was 8 years old, so thank y'all for coming out and fucking with me. And I need y'all to know one thing. I am a living testament that you can do anything that you believe in, no matter what, especially from the most talented and vibrant and open and liberal, amazing place in the entire fucking planet, the Bay Area.